Manufacturing Day is a nationwide day to celebrate and promote manufacturing.
Manufacturing Day has been designed to really expand knowledge about manufacturing and to also improve the public perception of manufacturing careers.
Manufacturing Day is a national celebration to bring attention to the 15,000 manufacturers which we have in the state of New York.
This day is a day when manufacturers actually open their doors to students and community members.
With an investment of a couple hours, they can really showcase their products and their service and their expertise, and they can connect with the students across the entire state of New York from all grade levels.
It's also a time where students can actually look at what is done in manufacturing, see the importance of it, and make conscious decisions for themselves as to what the career path should be.
Remember, these young students will be the future workforce of the industry in a very short 5 to 10 years. This is a great opportunity for local manufacturers to connect with the future workforce in manufacturing and to showcase how cool manufacturing jobs are.
There's no longer the manufacturing we knew when we were growing up. There's a rapid increase in the variety and complexity of skills that are required to fill the production roles. And these roles are exciting to the new generation.
Because now, as a student, you can really see what it is and to understand that manufacturing isn't the dirty word that some of us have heard in the past.
Today's manufacturing facilities are new, they're clean, they are efficient, and they're green. Number one business concern right now from the 15,000 manufacturers that we have in the state of New York is workforce development.
If you walk around or you just drive around, you'll see so many help wanted signs all over the place because people just can't find employees.
In fact, over 2 million jobs are predicted to be unfilled within the coming years due to a skills gap. So learning about the industry, connecting directly with local manufacturers and hearing from them is really a fantastic opportunity for students who are interested in the field and trying to determine next steps.